There's perpetual problems to do with mining.
There's limitations based on water supply, power supply, land available, and waste is becoming a big one as well. All of these kind of things are massive regional issues that are not specific to any single operation.
Like the old days, we used to say you lived on the back of the sheep. Now we're living off mining, and to continue with those export dollars, you have to continue to improve the way we do things in an environmentally sustainable way.
So the mining industry has a history of finding it extremely difficult to get new ideas, new innovations and technologies out of research land and into the operations.
Sometimes technologies that are innovative or different need to be demonstrated multiple times because we are risk adverse.
CRC ORE recognised that, particularly in Australia, the mining industry is facing significant challenges, and the lack of a coordinated effort to solve some of those challenges going forward.
Basically, how to make mining more efficient, how to make mining much more sustainable, and give the industry longevity.
The CRC looked around and chose as a good location Kalgoorlie, having a university and industry right next to each other, as a place where some of those theories and technologies could be tested.
Kal Hub is a fantastic organisation that focuses on innovation, technology and advancement of the mining industry.
It's a collection of minds. It's the place where problems meet solutions.
It keeps both the world's best entrepreneurs in mining and the world's best mining researchers and scientists coming to and living in the Kalgoorlie community.
Things that we're aiming to address are declining productivity in ageing mines, and we see a unique opportunity for the grade by size deportment as enablers to actually extend the life of these operations and drive productivity gains through reduction in operating costs and accessing previously marginal ore.
Curtin has been able to use this opportunity to develop some new research areas, and particularly our metallurgical researchers here in Kalgoorlie have been able to take leaps and bounds, not only in industry engagement but also in research development.
So in the existence of the Kalgoorlie Hub, it's had a number of achievements, most notably the development of the integrated screening and particle sorting project. The Kal Hub has also had a number of student interns that have run through the hub, and it has also supported a number of PhD projects and research being undertaken through the Western Australian School of Mines and Curtin University.
It means to Australian mining that we know we're benchmarking ourselves as world's best, and we can take that world's best practice and transfer it overseas.
We've got the potential to change the future by helping many uneconomic ore bodies become more economic, delivering greater outcomes for society and the future.
Kal Hub's important to the mining industry, and I'd argue for the Kalgoorlie-Boulder region as well, and it creates basically a centre of excellence where you get the intersection of government funding, industry and researchers.
Really what we would like to see as some of the outcomes here is not just the way that the mining sector looks at itself and how it does business, but the way that the community looks at it as well.
The implications for some of the work and the outputs from the Kal Hub project and initiatives are very significant and are not just applicable to the local community or not even Western Australia or Australia, but certainly can be impacting globally the mining industry. And the solutions that are being developed in Kalgoorlie will be directly applicable globally.